It's due to global supply concerns in the wake of flooding in Ukraine following the destruction of the dam we told you about yesterday. Michelle Rook joins us with more in Markets Now.
Thursday's market closes mostly lower in livestock, higher in the grains. Dave Chatterton with Strategic Farm Marketing is joining us. And Dave, grains to the plus side on Thursday, as I mentioned, and a lot of that has to do with weather, but it was a back and forth that we have these conflicting weather models we keep chasing after.
Yeah, it's tough for traders to get a strong conviction here. We're looking at two of our major weather models that are showing a little bit different, outlook here, Michelle. The GFS has certainly been wetter until yesterday afternoon when it shifted back to more of a drier and kind of lined up with this European model. Both these models have some moisture, but probably not enough to really improve our crop ratings or bust a drought. So this whole idea of a pattern change based on a La Nina condition, we're still waiting as a marketplace for that. And of course, with the crop ratings in decline, it becomes very important as to when these rains are going to finally, start to develop and go. And we're still a little bit on the, right on the razor's edge in terms of which direction we're going to follow. Our yield's going to back up, or is that rain going to come and we're going to boost ourselves here?
Yeah, and Drought Monitor confirmed a bigger area impacted by dry conditions as well. We also go into the WASDE report, more focus on demand than supply in that report, you think?
I think so for right now. It's very likely that the USDA chooses to adjust U.S. yields or production at this particular point, but they will be adjusting demand tomorrow. The trade focus here domestically will be on exports. Both corn and soybeans are, currently running below the seasonal pace that they need to be at in order to achieve the USDA full year goal. So the expectation is that those numbers will decline a little bit and that our carryouts will be boosted. That'll be carried directly into the new crop here. And of course, we'll also be watching what they might do with South America. They're expected to raise both the Brazilian corn and soybean crop further to records, while, I think the trade is split on whether they leave Argentina alone or actually cut those numbers back again just a little bit.
And just quick, cattle down for the second day is the top end.
I don't think so yet, Michelle. I think it's a good, healthy correction. Certainly the warning signs are there. We have some fund length in the market. I think the fund managers are now quite a bit more nervous than they were this time a week ago, or maybe to start the week because of the market action. But this cash market continues to be very supportive. And when you look at the front end numbers and where they lead later in the year, just don't know that we're ready to abandon that side of the market just yet.
Thanks so much, Dave Chatterton with Strategic Farm Marketing. That's Markets Now, and more AgDay is coming up.